peace, the tranquility.
Yes, it's all rather lovely.
Tranquil, peaceful, lovely. It's a jungle out here, filled with ever-present danger, brutality and death. Where the biggest teeth, the biggest claws and the biggest antlers prey upon the weak and vulnerable, and where the weak and vulnerable prey upon the pathetic and defenseless.
Oh, look! A pretty little flower.
It isn't a pretty little flower, it's something's dinner.
Flowers don't have natural predators.
Oh, don't they?
Ugh, I can't watch.
Yuck. Ugh, I don't think I'll be doing that again.
Let's just hope it's not poisonous.
Ah! How can I increase my evil deeds?
You could try getting up before noon. Ow!